Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about inventory in Ansible. What is inventory? Where the inventory part is stored. So we are all going to discuss about the inventory in detail in this video. So let's get started guys. It is a file. What is inventory? It is a file that contains information about the server's Ansible controls, typically located at /etc/answers. Using the -i parameter, we can provide a custom inventory path. Okay, and this path, which is located at /etc/answers/host, the inventory path can be host 1, host 2, host 3, up to host n according to our requirement. Okay? This file name can change. It can be host 1, host 2, /n, up to n. Now we are going to look at some example of how to declare the inventory. So first is an ungrouped array. Okay, in this we can directly declare the host name by 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, or by the domain name also, that abc server.example.org. And the second method is by using the groups. We make a group of test servers and we are putting the domain name inside this, the sample1.example.com, sample2.example.com, and there we have specified Ansible underscore host equal to this. So our Ansible will log into this server, okay, by using SSH. And if we specify Ansible underscore SSH underscore user equal to ABC, then the Ansible will log in to that server using the username of ABC. Okay, and the third method is using only putting DNS. Okay, like we have declared a group and we are putting only the DNS ansible.example.com or ansible underscore new.example.com, and the control node where the Ansible playbook is run. It will automatically resolve this domain name and will connect to that via SSH. Okay, and fourth concept is using the children method. Here the test here we declare like test underscore server colon children, and we will call the main host groups like test servers, which we have defined here, and test underscore new, which we have defined here. So we can use child method also to declare the inventory. So what all we did in this video, we had a quick overview of what is inventory, what are the other types of inventory, how we have declared with various parameters, grouped, only specifying DNS, or using the child method. Okay guys? Okay guys, let's meet in the next video with another concept about Ansible. Thank you guys.